So today what I'm going to be doing is an Easter clean with me. I know it's a little bit late, but life happened and this is the earliest I could get it up. I hope that you guys still enjoy it and get some cleaning inspiration from it. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and like this video for more inspiration and cleaning videos. I'll also have a new video going up on Friday, so go ahead and look for that. I'm going to go ahead and begin in the dining room. I'm going to go ahead and take everything off of it and then give it a good wipe down.
Any ideas?
And the cleaner I'm going to be using today is going to be the Mrs. Meyers Mint scent, and it's going to be the multi-purpose spray. I also went ahead and took these little ceramic bunnies that I got from the Target dollar spot and put them on my table as a nice decorative touch. Next, what I'm going to go ahead and do is the dishes. So I'm going to go ahead and give them a nice wipe down before putting them into the dishwasher. And actually at the time of filming this, I already had the dishwasher going. So you'll actually see me empty the dishwasher later in the video, and then you will see me go ahead and put the dirty dishes back into it as well. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and take everything off of the counter and give it a good wipe down again with that same Mrs. Meyers cleaning stuff. It's amazing. Again, I recommend it to everybody. If you haven't purchased it, go ahead and grab it. Next, what I'm going to go ahead and do is just go ahead and take my Swiffer and Swiffer the floors before I go ahead and vacuum it. I don't feel like the Swiffer is the best thing ever, and actually I feel like my vacuum does a better job, but I do like to cover my bases and do both. that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And then go ahead and subscribe to my friend Unique Gifts. She does cleaning videos as well, and also some really fun hauls. I'll go ahead and link her at the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!